Welcome guys, this is Alpha Lions Academy. My name is Mateusz and today we are gonna to talk about when to invest in crypto. We will discuss how to find the lowest price to enter the market. We will answer the question if we already reach the new low in this current cycle. Just keep in mind, guys, that this is not financial advice. It's just my private opinion, which I share with you based on my own experience. Let's see the last 24 hours of Bitcoin price. It has dropped by less than 1%. Basically, in last 7 days, there were some changes. Basically, in 2nd of November, there was a drop, which I pointed you in the slide. It has happened due to the increase of the interest rate by Fed, and market reacted. However, this reaction was not as big as it was in the past, just because we got used to, as investors, about the changes of interest rate. So even though if it happens, the market reacts, but not as much. And here, good advice for you guys is that when we invest in crypto, we look on the market in all economy world. What does it mean? It means that we analyze the S&P market, we analyze what is going on in macroeconomics aspects, and then we go into the conclusions to crypto market. So keep in mind, technical analysis is important, sentimental analysis as well, and fundamental analysis. Plus psychology of investors. That's what we are gonna to talk later. So today we talk when to invest in crypto, when to find the low, or maybe have we already reached the low. So this is 1 year chart. We could notice that in the 10th of November we had all-time high when the Bitcoin price reached $69,000, and then there is a drop of 75%, and in 18th of June the price dropped to lower than 18,000. And right now, in this current cycle, this is the lowest price. And now we will discuss if this is the low already, and we are gonna to see the uptrend, or what will happen. Just to have a look for the 1 year chart, we can see the drops were happening in short term. So at the beginning, the price has dropped to 35,000 in quite short period. Then was a consolidation in which the price going up and down, but the range is similar. And then again, there was a drop, and then again, there is a consolidation. In the last weeks, there is not much happening from June. And this is now the question if this is already the moment to invest or what to do. So in this slide I present you the historical drops of Bitcoin from the high to low, and watching the final drops, basically the drop is between 82 to 94%. When the average is around 86%. And every drop, every cycle has different circumstances. What does it mean? We are in crypto market from around 2011, and investors are changing. The type of investor has changed, and every drop is gonna be different. The market never behaves in the same way, and here I want to point you a really important aspect which many of you forget, is the psychology. The investor psychology is crucial aspect to remember about. So right now we think and we discuss what is gonna be the future low, because knowing a future low, we can maximize our profits. I was talking already about the investor behavior, and here I want to point you some historical data as well. The conclusions from this. Firstly, we have different type of investors. Right now we have big institutions who invest in crypto, banks, financial institutions. These type of investors, they firstly buy a lot, they keep a huge portfolio, which is right now happening in crypto. Second type of investor is the individual investors who also gain knowledge. They already, some of them, there are investors who are in crypto for longer than a few years, and they have experience. They know how it was. They see what I present you here. They know already that drop of 80% from all-time high, it's something normal. So another aspect, market never behave in the same way. And what my predictions are? My predictions are that firstly, there will be not the same situation as it was. What does it mean? There will be a drop less than 80% or more than 90%. And what to do, how to find the low. Basically, guys, don't try to find low, and we are not gonna to find the low. We play smart, we try to reach to maximize the profits, but also not to lose the chances. So what I suggest is to have a first entry already from 65% drop or from all-time high, so from the 69,000. And then buy regularly to divide the entries into a few levels. Guys, here I show you aspect of risk-reward ratio, which basically says that the risk is higher when the price go up. When the price go down, when the price go down, basically the risk is lower and the gains are higher. So when we should buy, when we should accumulate, we accumulate when the price is going down, not when the price is going up, because then we basically run up. We try to find, we go to the hill and we run up to catch the price. And we don't want this. We have Bitcoin as an asset, which is already categorized as a type of investments, long-term investments, with 70% discount, which is going down for 1 year already. And the history presents us that basically in the new cycle, when there is gonna be a new uptrend, the price has to be over 70,000. It has to break the last all-time high level. So guys, don't try to find low, just think about risk-reward ratio. Right now, ask you question: is there a sense to wait for the lowest low and to lose the opportunity to invest in Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency just because you wanted to gain the most? Is it a sense to miss the buy entry? Now you can ask me, okay, but do you think there might be some another drops? And I agree with you, there is always this risk. So to minimize the risk, I suggest you to use the DCA method, in which you buy crypto in several different levels. So if there is higher drop, you are gonna to buy more. If there is uptrend, you will just lose the entries, but you will switch to altcoins, which will give you higher return than Bitcoin. This method doesn't give you maximum profits, but lower the risk of future gains. And key advice, always have extra capital to invest. If Bitcoin drops to lower level than 18,000, you have another capital to invest. Keep in mind that in new all-time high, in new uptrend, the price has to be higher than the last all-time high. It means that right now buying Bitcoin for 21,000, you can reach minimum 300% potential gains if you only create portfolio from Bitcoin portfolio. But we know that in this channel we will discuss altcoins which usually give return of more than 10 times. So that was the video about when to invest in crypto, how to find the low. I hope so that you are not getting disappointed that we didn't answer exactly where is the low, but we are not gonna to do magics. We are gonna only use our knowledge to find the low. So thank you guys. Check the next videos about the crypto and another aspect of business. Alpha Lions Academy, Mateusz, thank you guys. Have a good day.